All right, welcome back, everybody. It has finally arrived 2 or 3 weeks later. Jim Carrey's The Mask in 4K. I can see damage right there already. This is the Arrow release from the UK. Oh, goddamn, more damage right there. And right there. I bet is when they put it in the mailbox. Because it's in the same space. Yeah, oh man. Anyway, let's open this thing up and see what's on the inside. All right, I got it. Sadly, I was like so hesitant on getting this. That's why I'm posting this so late, because it literally just came last night. I wanted it, of course, because it's Jim Carrey, and I have a Jim Carrey collection, and I didn't have this movie. It was just so damn expensive. Like, let's try not to ruin the corners any more than they already are, because they are messed up too. Damn, the other box is pretty messed up. All right, so pause it if you want to see the special features without the glare. There we go. It's remastered. It's going to have a ton of interviews and special features and audio commentaries. That's like a main thing that they like to do. All right, so it's got a few things here. Let's do the movie last. Or should we do the movie first? Super hard, thick cardboard, as always. Damn, it even damaged it all the way up into here. Let's do the movie first. Same. It should have reversible art. More stuff. Nice. Which one do we have? The Birthday. I don't know that one. Here we go. I will switch it to this, as I always do, so I have different art. Because since that's the cover of the box. Get in there. And the back's always, of course, the same. All right, let's see. We got some art cards here. Stanley Ipkiss. I think if I remember right, he was like a mafia boss, and that was the mafia boss's wife, or probably, what is the word for it? There's a word for side chick from the mafia. Garmu? Something like that. And of course, we got the double-sided poster. One of both the arts. You got the original art, and then the newly commissioned art. Which isn't newly commissioned because it is not a drawing. It's literally a photo from the movie. So, is it newly commissioned art? I would say no. Okay. Here we go. The Edge City Tribune. They always do these little video essays. And of course, as always, I will go through. Did I skip a page? I will go through every page. Yeah, I want you guys to let me know down below what your thoughts are on The Mask and or the Arrow version of The Mask. So, yeah, let's have a conversation down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time.